Okay, this one is more on the esoteric side of sound design. We're going to create a vinyl-like noise generator. Let's load the default preset. Now we already know that oscillator 3 has a noise generator. Let's listen to it. Clearly this is nothing like what a vinyl static would sound like, so let's address that. I'll set up a modulation where the cutoff of the filter is being modulated by LFO1. No need for VIA. Let's set the blend to filter 1. Cut off at about the halfway mark. Add some drive. Now this modulation we have heard before, but what if we switch to a sample and hold wave shape for the LFO? And let's also speed that up. Okay, now let's bring down the amount. Sounds interesting. Definitely closer to the vinyl noise compared to before. Let's add another modulation. I'll modulate the amp with the same LFO. Let's bypass the first modulation so we can listen to just this one. Okay, now putting them together. We can play with the amount. Maybe a negative amount here. That sounds pretty cool. One more modulation we will set up is to modulate the LFO rate with max. Max acts like a multiplier. So higher values will push the LFO modulation rate even faster, while negative values will slow it down. At maximum, we are a lot closer to that vinyl static we are looking for. You can play with the amount sliders for these modulation for timbre variation. I like that. We can make the noise wider with the unison at 2 voices. Now you'd want this at a much lower level. We have it loud here just so we can hear what we're doing.